Carpet. A heavy fabric used to cover floors. We installed a new carpet in the living room. The carpet is soft and colorful. She vacuumed the carpet every week. The wine spilled on the carpet. They rolled out the red carpet for the guests.